In this video, you'll learn how to use flags to configure some of the common options that Sauce Connect users may need to use. You can see full documentation at docs.saucelabs.com under the Sauce Connect CLI reference. In this video, you'll see how to generate a log file so you can send it to Sauce Labs support and get more information, as well as how to generate that log file in a specific location. You'll learn to check which version of Sauce Connect you are running and specify which Sauce Labs data center you want to run Sauce Connect through. One of the most common things you may need to do is check which version of Sauce Connect you have installed in your computer. To do this, you simply need to run the usual command you would to start a Sauce Connect tunnel with a flag for version. Note that doing this doesn't actually start a Sauce Connect tunnel and it will be shut down immediately. You'll need to run the command again to actually start a tunnel. Another common option you may need to use is the command to generate verbose logs. By generating a verbose log, you're given a file that you can communicate to Sauce Labs. Sauce Labs customer support has resources to look at what's happening with your Sauce Connect tunnel on the back end and gain more information about what may be going wrong. To generate a verbose log, simply add a -v flag at the end of the command that you use to run your tunnel. Once you've generated a verbose log, you can look at the command line output and find the location where your verbose log is stored. When you use the -v flag, the log that is created contains information such as the tunnel ID number, as well as API calls that Sauce Labs can use to help you find out more about what went wrong with your Sauce Connect tunnel. Once you have your verbose log, there are a couple different options for how you can get it to Sauce Labs. The first option is to copy the log file into a different location from the location that was listed in the CLI output. If you don't want to manually copy over the file, Sauce Labs also offers an option to put the log file in a certain location. After you put in the command to run your Sauce Connect tunnel and the -v flag, add in a -- log file flag to copy your file into a given location. In this example, I moved up a couple levels and just put it on the desktop. You can see when I run my tunnel that the log file will appear on my desktop. Once you have your verbose log file, you can visit support.saucelabs.com and start a conversation with one of our support engineers. The last option that users commonly need to modify is which data center you're running your Sauce Connect's proxy through. First, check your Sauce Labs dashboard to see which data center your tests are being run in. Next, visit the CLI in the docs to find the URL for your data center. By default, Sauce Connect proxy runs to the US West data center. However, if you need to change it to something like the EU data center, simply find the correct endpoint in the Sauce Connect CLI documentation and add it after the -x flag when you run your Sauce Connect tunnel. Now, when you go to the Sauce Labs dashboard and change the data center to the EU data center, you'll see that the Sauce Connect tunnel is listed under your Tunnels tab. Now that you know how to use flags to configure Sauce Connect options, you can learn about disabling SSL bumping and be ready to run nearly any test through Sauce Connect.